in the Thai tonight, and they've even given me some gluten-free prawn crackers. And I've got some lovely sweet chilli here. How hot was your Thai salad?
Hottest I've ever had.
He's eating it though, and I've almost finished mine too. This is the lovely walk we have on the way to the restaurant. As you can hear, there's music playing and the lights change colour. It's really lovely. It's quite humid tonight. There is a nice breeze, which is lovely. In we go for our dinner. This is Andulacia. It looks very nice indeed. All the restaurants are beautiful here. The food so far has been absolutely amazing.
We're here for a short second to mine.
All the white and with the...
And this is the Tempo restaurant, and this is the buffet. So you can get breakfast, lunch and dinner in here, and the food so far has been really, really good.